the smart accelerator. This is continuation of my previous two videos. So I'll be showed you how to use sum if, count if, and average if. So I will show you using the simple and in ranges. So I'll be showing in this video I'll be showing you how to have something called dynamic database. So how to use this same function when you have a dynamic database when the data is changing, or when you're adding more and more data. How is it going to affect the table which you are having on the as your visuals. So please, if you've not seen, please check my previous two videos, and I will show you how to use sum ifs in different types. So for dynamic data, what you have to do is you do the same factors. It should be sum if open parenthesis. So now we'll be selecting the range. So in the previous video, I showed you how I was selecting the ranges in this way. So this was my range. Or what I did is I made a range in the beginning, and when I type M, automatically the range will be selected. But that is for static database. But for something for dynamic database, what I will be doing is I will remove this and I will be selecting the whole column. So what I will be doing is I will select the whole column. So it is going to be a C colon C. So this is my range, and the criteria, as you know, that criteria will be the same, and my sum range will be the same. I will be selecting the whole column here. So it's a more easier than what we are doing selecting the things. So now I'll be doing is closing the parenthesis and hitting an enter. So we got the answers over here. So I'll be doing the same for count if. Count, count if. Open the parenthesis. Here I'll have to check only the range, and the range will be something I'll be selecting the same way. The whole C colon C, or you can type it manually also. And the criteria is you have to select this. So H3 is selected, and close the parenthesis, hit enter. So you can see it's 5 times. And again I'll be doing is an average if equals to average if open parenthesis. It's same like a count if. So the range is this one, same, comma, criteria is this, comma, and average range is this. So you can see, oh sorry, let me close this. So you can see f by f. So I'll be closing this close parenthesis and hit enter. So now you can see the database over here. So what I want to do is, if I want to add some data, is it going to change? Is the data going to change when I add some data? So let me add some data in the database. So I'll be adding some of the areas. So I don't have ownership. So what I'll be doing is I'll be adding the same columns again. So I'll be adding the same things over here. Control C and Control V. So you can see automatically it is changing over here. So the best example for using the range for dynamic data is selecting the whole column. So if you keep on adding this, it is going to keep on expanding. Again, if you want to do Control D, you can see automatically it's changing over here. So the same way I'll be showing you how to do the same things in the table format as I showed you. It's in ranges, and I'm going to show you how to do in tables. So this is the method when we can use these techniques for having a visuals in front of us, so that we can keep our record track of the things necessary. So I hope you find this video useful, and I would like you I would request you to share this video so many people can know the benefits of this, and you can pass on the knowledge. And let's see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.